Hi everyone, welcome back to the little Blue Skiff. Today I'm back on the Hunky Dory at Baldwin Park in Orlando. This video shows the steps to prep the sailboat at the dock up until the point of sailing. Hope you enjoy. Yeah, just notice how the boat reacts when the main goes up. It catches the wind right away, and the boat actually just starts pulling away from the dock. So it's very important that it's tied securely to the dock at this moment in time. The step that I call shrouding the cleats is one where I'm covering the cleats on the mast, because sometimes the jib sheets would get hung up on the cleats while sailing. Not a good thing. So the two blue paddles you see me moving are on the sailboat, so I can return back in case the wind dies. There is no engine on the boat. I can lower the sails and row back to shore at any point. Before setting out, I test that the jib sheets move freely and pull the jib back and forth. And here I'm inserting and securing the dagger board into the dagger board trunk. And now it's time to untie the boat and finally get sailing. And away we go. I hope you enjoyed the short prep video. There's much more sailing to come. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye-bye.